There's a magnetic force in your body which holds the key to your health, and you can measure it with your pendulum. Thousands of years ago, the Chinese revealed the hidden force, or qi, as they call it, which allows the flow of vital energy in the body. They didn't overthink it, they just used it and included it in their system of meridians. Fast forward to today, we in the West vaguely recognize this and refer to it as the vital force, but don't pay it much heed. As a current of energy, it naturally has a magnetic field of force. In this 8-part Life Hacks and Secrets series, we're exploring some of the very practical aspects in pendulum dowsing. Today, we're measuring your body's magnetic field, a little recognized aspect of well-being, although absolutely vital to maintain the balance of well-being. Stick around for a live demo, a free chart, and a tool to boost your vitality. Let's swing into it. So what's this all about? The Chinese figured out that the movement of various vital fluids, blood, nerve, and energy in our bodies generates a force that shapes our health and well-being. Keep an open mind and use it. That would be the practical way to consider this, as we know how important it is to be grounded. And here is an insight to the biomagnetic field. This biomagnetic field shifts all the time, depending on a ton of factors: your diet, stress, the water you drink, even the shoes you wear. A weak field leaves you out of sorts, sluggish or foggy. A strong one makes you vibrant and clear-headed. With a pendulum and a scale chart, you can measure this field and get useful insights that in time will help you better understand your emotional and physical state. We know of the electric component in the body and use it in EEGs and ECGs to measure stuff. But here's the fascinating part. We are very low-field magnetic creatures. So low-field, we ignore this component. Yet, your heart has a positive magnetic polarity. Your liver, a negative one. An organic structure that conforms to the whole, and if you prefer the mechanical viewpoint, like a battery powering your body. Men usually emit a positive charge from their right hand, for girls from their left. But at menopause, women's polarity flips, which would explain the hot flashes and miserable energy shifts. Pretty wild, right? The biomagnetic scale runs from 15 to 75 microteslas. Think of it as your life force meter. At 15, you're barely hanging on. And even at physical death, as if some spark, maybe the soul, still lingers at that level. At 75, you're a powerhouse, strong immune system, well-oxygenated blood, and resilient to things like EMF radiation. The bioelectric scale from 0 to 70 millivolts reveals information as to why there are problems, but of course you must investigate further. Why does this matter? Dowsing lets you see how your environment and lifestyle affect these energies. No mysticism needed, just an open mind, integrity, and practice. This is about empowerment, discernment, and owning your well-being. So, time to get hands-on. Here's how to use a pendulum to measure your biomagnetic field. With your pendulum and the biomagnetic energy scale chart, like the one linked below, I'm going to ask some questions to check my energy levels. Watch this. What's my biomagnetic field reading today? Pendulum swings to 65. Nice. That's a strong score. Vibrant and healthy. What's my bioelectric charge? Pendulum swings to 60. Not bad for an old man. Let's take a look at POTUS, the President of the United States. The pendulum swings to 35. Higher than the average of 25, but could be much stronger. And his bioelectric field? Wow, not bad at all, 55. Perhaps he's doing my magnetic recharge exercise. It's like a health checkup in your pocket. The pendulum gives you clear data on your energy levels. For you to try questions such as, is my biomagnetic field strong today? Or does my lifestyle support my bioelectric charge? Go neutral, breathe, and let the pendulum swing. Ready to try this yourself? Use the free Biomagnetic energy scale linked below to start measuring your energy today. Want to master this? Join my full Pendulum Dowsing course for all the steps, especially the health analysis course. Drop a comment with your experiences or questions. I read every one. And if you're loving this series, you know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, and explore the other episodes. Your pendulum won't ghost you. It just swings with the truth. See you in episode 8.